Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Dimma tutorials. Today we are going to look at POLAC Post-UTME past questions general paper. We are going to look at 2017 past questions. If you are taking Post-UTME, POLAC Post-UTME, you would want to watch this video to the end. Okay, without wasting much time, let's delve in. Let's read the first question and answer it. Dash is the main concern of the police as a tool for safety. Dash is the main concern of the police as a tool for safety. Option A, maintenance of market peace. B, indiscriminate arrest of citizens. C, punishing offenders with detention. D, maintenance of public peace. The correct answer to this question is option D, maintenance of public peace. Option D. Okay, option D. Police as a tool for safety is really about maintaining public peace, okay? Keeping order, preventing violence, and ensuring citizens feel secure. So, the best answer is option D. Option D. The next question, who was the first indigenous inspector general of police? Who was the first indigenous inspector general of police? Adam Smith, B. Solomon Arets, C. Louis Edet, D. Tafa Balogun. The correct answer is option D. Tafa Balogun. Tafa Balogun. He was the first Inspector General of Police in Nigeria. The next question, this next one is pretty straightforward. Police orderlies are attached to VIPs to dash for them. A. Provide shade. B. Open car doors. C. Provide security. D. Become bag carriers. Okay, orderlies are attached to police orderlies are attached to VIPs to provide security, not to provide shade, not to open car doors, not to carry bags. Okay, those are not their duties. Their duty is to provide security. The next question, the Nigerian Police Force is an agency of dash organ of government. Option A, judiciary. B, executive. C, legislature. D, all of the above. Now, the Nigerian Police Force is an agency of the executive. The police, along with other security forces, reports to the executive branch, specifically the Ministry of Police Affairs. The Ministry of Police Affairs. Okay, so the correct answer is option B, executive, like I said earlier. Now, let's move to the next question. The next question, one of the following is not a duty of a police officer. One of the following is not a duty of a police officer. A, torturing of suspects. B, investigation of cases. C, arresting of suspects. D, prosecution of accused persons. Now, this question actually has two answers. Torturing of suspects and the prosecution of accused persons. Okay, option B and C are incorrect. Okay, because they are the duties of police officers. Okay, now option A, torturing of suspects, is not the correct answer because it's not a duty of a police officer. Now, torture is completely illegal. It's illegal and a gross violation of human rights. So police officers are meant to uphold the law. They're meant to uphold the law, protect citizens, and ensure justice, not use abuse or coercion. If a police officer resorts to torture, that is a crime. That is a crime if a police officer resorts to torture, and is something that should be investigated and punished. Okay, if a police officer resorts to torturing a suspect. Okay, now option D, like I said earlier, is also correct because prosecution of an accused person is handled by the courts and the legal system. Okay, it's handled by the court and legal system, not the police. Okay, police focus on investigating and arresting, while prosecution is a judicial responsibility. So D is also correct. Like I said, this question has two answers. In your exam, I think you should choose torturing of suspects because that one is a crime. So it's not a duty of the police officer. But the two options A and D are correct. Next question, which rank are graduates of the police academy expected to be commissioned on successful completion of their course? Option A, Superintendent of Police. Option B, Assistant Superintendent of Police. C, Graduate Superintendent of Police. D, Graduate Police Officer. The correct answer is Assistant Superintendent of Police. Okay, that's the rank that a graduate of Police Academy is expected to be commissioned on successful completion of his or her course. Now, after that, they move up through ranks as they gain experience and seniority. So, option B is the correct answer, Assistant Superintendent of Police. The next question, who is the head of Nigeria Police Force in your state? A, Assistant Inspector General of Police. B, Assistant Commissioner of Police. C, Commissioner of Police. D, Divisional Police Officer. Okay, the correct answer is Commissioner of Police. In states, we have Commissioner of Police. Okay, that's what they are called. That's what they are called. Next question, we have, what is the best reason why people give information to the police? We have to gain police favor. B, to help the police and the security and the society. C, to get reward from the police. D, to revenge against their enemies. Of course, the correct answer is option B, to help the police and the society. Now, the main reason why people share information, give information to the police is to help keep their community safe. By sharing correct information, they contribute to solving crimes, preventing danger, and ensuring justice is served. So, like I said earlier, the correct answer is option B, to help the police and the society. That is the civic responsibility of every citizen. Okay, not to gain police favor or get rewarded. Those are personal. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. The next question, the dash, dash, and dash are the colors of the Nigeria police flag. We have option A, blue, white, green. B, blue, yellow, red. C, blue, yellow, green. And D, blue, green, purple. The correct answer is option C, blue, yellow, green. The colors of the Nigeria police force flag are blue, yellow, and green. Blue stands for love, loyalty, and unity. Yellow represents discipline and resourcefulness. And green symbolizes energy and life. So the correct answer is option C, blue, yellow, green. All right. The next and the last question we're considering today is question 10. The head of the police force in Nigeria is addressed as A, Senior Inspector of Police. B, Inspector General of Police. C, Principal Inspector of Police. D, Inspector of Naval Police. The correct answer to this question is Inspector General of Police, IGP. Inspector General of Police. That's option B. Option B, Inspector General of Police. Okay, this is a top rank in the Nigerian police hierarchy, and the IGP oversees the entire force nationwide. So, like I said, the correct answer is option B. Option B. All right, that will be all for today. Tomorrow I'll bring more videos for you on general papers. So please, if you are taking the exam, I need you to click on the like button, share the video to your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell so that once I upload a video on this channel, you'll be notified. And I wish you success in this exam. You're gonna ace it and you're gonna gain admission to study your desired course. Just keep working hard, keep reading, keep studying, and go in with confidence. All right, that'll be all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you very soon in another video.